If you've been looking for a way to make passive income online, but you're short on time or overwhelmed with where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 digital products you can create in just one day. Even if you have zero design experience, no followers, and a limited budget. That means by the end of the day, you could already have your first product listed on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or even Payhip, and start earning while you sleep. So let's get right into it. Idea number 1, printable planners and worksheets. These are huge sellers on Etsy. Think about it. People are always looking for ways to organize their life, improve their habits, or plan their goals. The best part? You can create these using free tools like Canva, and you don't need to be a designer. Just choose a template, customize the colors and fonts, and tailor it to a niche, like fitness, finances, daily routines, or even student planners. Pro tip: make it a bundle or a multi-page planner and you can charge more. Bonus: use platforms like Fabrica or Canva Pro to speed up the process with pre-made elements. Idea number 2, social media templates. Business owners, influencers, and content creators are always looking for visually appealing, time-saving templates for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, and you can create a set of 20-30 editable Canva templates that others can plug and play with. Just swap the colors, text, and images. You can sell these on Etsy or Gumroad for $10 to $30 per bundle, and they're incredibly scalable. Time required? Just a few hours once you've got a style figured out. Idea number 3, digital journals and eBooks. These work great if you enjoy writing or sharing knowledge. For example, you could create a gratitude journal, a self-care guide, a budgeting ebook, or a 30-day challenge guide on a specific topic. You don't have to be an expert. Just compile research tips or experiences into a simple aesthetic layout. You can use Canva or Google Docs, export it as a PDF, and boom, ready to sell. Idea number 4, Notion templates. Coming in at number 4, Notion templates. Notion is a free productivity tool that has a huge fan base. You can create templates for content calendars, budgeting, life planning, study trackers, business dashboards. What's great is that you just build it once, share the link, and people can duplicate it to their own Notion account. You can sell access to your template on Gumroad, Payhip, or your own website. And yes, people are paying $10 to $50+ for one template. Idea number 5, digital invoice or business templates. Last but not least, business templates like invoices, contracts, media kits, or client onboarding forms. These are especially helpful for freelancers, small business owners, or truck dispatchers, and they don't want to build these from scratch. For example, an invoice template for trucking companies, beauty businesses, or social media managers, made in Microsoft Word, Excel, or Google Docs. Just design it once, and it becomes a high-demand, low-effort product. So there you have it. 5 digital product ideas you can make in a single day and start selling immediately. You don't need a big following. You don't need expensive software. You just need the right idea and a platform like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Let me know in the comments which product you're going to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss content on digital products and passive income. Thanks for watching. Now go make that first sale.